I regret doing this already.
Good.
I'm gonna do this full on. Alright, ready guys? Ready? Here we go. Hey guys. This is my doggo. So today, I have no idea, where are you? I have no idea of what video we should do. I am completely blank, or at least I didn't have any ideas, but then it dawned on me. Oh my god, this is a genius idea. To the kitchen. Let's go.
Okay.
But I just came up with it, and I'm so excited, and it involves this. Okay, what we're going to be doing is... Give me a cup.
There you go.
Drinking everything
Oh, crap.
at once. So, a little bit of everything is going to be poured into this cup, this small cup, and we're going to try it. We're going to drink it together. We may die.
Wait. I'm drinking it too?
Yes, you and me are both doing it. Also, I'm including this to make it more, to spice it up. Even like kinda like liquidy things like mustard, ketchup, mayo is included. So anything in the fridge that's even a little bit of like liquidation or whatever is included.
There's pickle in there.
We're including pickle and pickle juice. Alright, ready? Let's go see what's in the fridge. So let's see what we got that's drinkable. Ketchup's kind of drinkable. Tea.
Okay, but nothing expired. Check the fucking dates, please.
What else is drinkable? Oh, this back here. Ugh, mustard. Mayo. Mayo. Oh, this is gonna be gross.
They're not even liquidy.
Yeah, it is. Mayo's a little bit liquidy. Look at it. Look, it's not a solid. It's like a cream. That's included. Anything that's not a solid is included.
You're gonna kill me.
A1 sauce. Lemon.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. No, this has pepper in it.
Salsa.
Salsa. Salsa's included. Pickle. A little bit of olive juice. What
You're
else?
gonna kill me.
Do it. Anything that's liquidy a little bit. Cool. What's that?
Tamarindo.
Tamarindo.
Hawaiian punch.
Hawaiian punch. See, these are good.
Apple soda.
That's also good.
Cranberry juice.
Cranberry juice is also good. What else is in there?
Powerade.
Oh god, I'm so stupid. I love it.
Orange juice. Sesame oil. This is dressing. It's my lemon vinaigrette dressing, so it has vinegar in it that I use for my salad.
That's drinkable.
You want to kill me? By your logic, ranch.
Yep, ranch. Drinkable, technically.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce, totally drinkable. Drinkable. What is this?
Rosé? That's everything in the fridge.
Uh-huh.
But do you want alcohol also?
Just grab one. We're only gonna grab one alcoholic
One?
thing. Yep.
This one's open. The rosé. I need to have some rosé.
Alright, and this is everything we will be drinking at once, combined and mixed. All this. All
You'll
this.
want to kill me.
I already feel nauseous. Okay. I mean, it's just food. You can't die by food.
You die from the face.
Not a lot.
Oh, that's gross.
Okay, we have a little bit of mustard.
I should
Just
have
a little
shaked it
bit.
first. I should have shook it first.
Well, there's mustard. You should have shook it. Okay.
Little ketchup.
Okay, ketchup. Ketchup's next.
Let's see.
What's next?
Let's do the crema.
Oh, girls, need a spoon.
Yeah.
All right. Cream of Mexican quesadillas. 1 spoon cream Mexican quesadillas. So far, 3 things inside.
Okay. And then let's go with
What is that? Ranch?
ranch.
Oh, that's gross, dude. You know, it smells like mustard. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like a hamburger would or hot dog with like all these ingredients would. So it's not bad.
Yeah, wait till we get to everything else.
Okay, that's too much mayo.
You're the one who wants to sprinkle
That's
it.
too much mayo. Look at that amount of mayo in there.
Here, I don't think we'll need this anymore.
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
You picked it. Just know that, babe.
I had no idea of what to do. This is the only thing that came to my brain for some reason.
For some odd reason.
I think next we'll do A1 sauce.
Oh, yeah.
Only a little bit.
Yeah, because I don't have a lot of that.
Here you go. A1 sauce added.
Here's some salsa. This is the one we use on our burrito.
That's a lot of salt doing too much of everything, dude.
Dude, you're the one who tells me to just...
Alright, salsa and mayo. Okay, lemon you can add quite a bit.
Oh,
because
yeah?
it's lemon.
I'm just going to squeeze one
Okay,
time.
just one squeeze of lemon. Okay, one squeeze of lemon.
How about you trash these?
Okay. Next is pickle juice. I hate pickles. I hate pickles. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit of
I can
juice.
eat the pickle, but not the... I can't do the juice. I'm just... You said I did a lot? Bruh!
I only put a little bit. I
That
only
was
put a
lot
splash.
that was a lot of pickle juice.
Windsor?
Ooh,
Okay, what's next?
Soy sauce.
Alright, a little bit of soy sauce, not too
Well,
soy.
it comes out as a little bit, so...
That's good. Okay.
Sesame seed oil.
Go ahead. Sesame oil.
I guess a couple drops because that's how
Good.
it comes out.
Cool.
Okay.
So far, so good.
So this is my lemon vinaigrette dressing. So it's got vinegar in it.
Alright, so this is what it looks like so far, and you wanna know what is like there the most? The mayo. Because it was like a scoop and a half.
It was half a scoop. It was half a scoop.
You know how thick mayo is?
Well, then take some out. It should be on the
You
side.
can't. No, it's all mixed in.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
this is gonna be so crazy gross.
It's your fault. Here, you do the olive. I hate olives
So do
with
I.
a passion.
I hate olive. That smells disgusting. I think it's just the olives. The olives themselves smell gross.
Oof.
This smells literally like vomit. I cannot describe to you what it smells like other than it smells like vomit.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, it smells like a skunk. No, I'm not even joking. It smells straight up like a skunk.
Okay. Alright, let's do the Powerade and the cranberry. Alright, here's Powerade.
Do a splash of like everything else you did. Okay. You might need to pour a little bit more of each.
We don't need a bigger cup than that.
Okay, next.
Here's orange juice.
Over here, it's camera.
Oh, I can't reach. That looks so gross.
I'm excited.
You're nasty. Alright, here's some Gold Peak sweet tea. Alright, so here's some apple soda.
Alright, good stuff, good stuff. Remember, you poured a lot of everything else. That was bad, so pour.
Very happy.
Yes. Pour enough of the good stuff now.
Are you gonna want more sweet tea in there too?
Oh, that's fine.
That's tamarindo. You can see all the other stuff just kind of like just floating in there. Okay, here's a Hawaiian punch.
I feel nauseous already.
All right, the final thing is a little bit of Stella Rosé. There.
Cool. And this is our mix. could see the chunks of like everything inside. That is gross. Oh my god, the top looks disgusting. Let me show you guys. Let me show you what we're dealing with. That is the surface of the drink. Let's mix it. I regret doing this already.
Good.
It smells like skunk. I kid you not. Guys, it literally smells like skunk. Okay. I'm nauseous already just looking at it, but that's fine.
Drink it straight. Just hold your nose if it stinks or anything like that, honestly, I think. Well, you know what? You're a baby too, so maybe a spoon would be better.
No, have to do this. I'm a man. Oh god. I feel nauseous. I feel like I'm gonna throw up already.
Why don't you get the cranberry juice out? So when you're done drinking that, you can drink that.
Alright. Looks like a smoothie. That is gross.
I kind of want to not drink this.
Don't do it. Alright, let me do it first. Let me do it. If I could take it, you'll be fine.
But your tolerance is different than mine.
Okay, here I go. Oh boy. Oh jeez.
Just take a little sip of it. Don't look at it. How about just close your eyes and hold your nose?
I'm gonna do this full on. Alright, ready guys? Ready? Here I go. It smells straight up like skunk. That's the best way I could describe it. That's the best way I could describe it. If I throw up, just, I don't know, just help me or something. Help me to the toilet.
We have Pepto.
Oh god, please.
Maybe we should have thrown some Pepto in there too.
I'm an idiot.
Are you okay?
It's really spicy. What was in there that was really spicy?
The salsa.
It's not
It's
too
the salsa.
bad. What I taste most in there. Wow, it's really spicy. No, I need.
Are you okay?
I think so. Okay, yeah, I'm good.
Are we sure? Are we good?
Yeah, no, it wasn't that bad. Okay, no, it was pretty bad, but I mean, all right. So see, let me describe the taste to you before you decide.
I kind of don't want you to describe that.
It's extremely spicy, but you can't taste the spice of it. It's just like spicy. What you could taste a lot, I will say, is the pickle and olive juice.
Cool. The two things I hate the most. Awesome.
And also mustard.
Great.
You can also taste mustard.
I hate mustard too.
There's something else in there.
The sesame oil?
No, it's the pickle that you could taste the most. It's the pickle that you could taste the most.
Shockingly, it's not the mayonnaise.
Nope, pickle. It's pickle.
Cause you did like so much in there. So much.
I didn't even take the full, I just took a small sip. I'm not doing a full shot with this. Don't do it. Don't do it because I think I'm gonna throw up in a little bit. And if I throw up, I know you're gonna throw up for sure.
Sorry guys. I'm
not
not doing that now.
Alright guys, so I'm in the car now because we have somewhere to go and we're running pretty late. But that was me drinking like 20 drinks mixed into one. Along with condiments because of the ketchup and stuff.
Yeah, and me not taking it.
And she didn't take it because she's a weenie.
I didn't drink enough. Yeah, I'm a weenie. I'll admit to it. That's fine. I'll be a weenie.
Anyways, like and subscribe. That would help a lot.
Leave a comment down below.
Yeah. Give me ideas of what else you would like to see me do or me make my girlfriend do. And we'll go ahead and see what else I come up with because that was horrible and I still feel nauseous after that. And yeah, so thanks for watching.